words, of course, have lasted the longest. Honor, justice, truth, God. You feel it? Yes, now they make you sick to your stomach when it was not so long ago that they were sincere. And do you know who turned them into nothing but white noise? Yeah, that's right. It was lawyers, politicians, priests, and advertisers. All those who use words as tools and instruments. And you, with all your posts and your likes, you're just feeding the fire with more coal. Like, love, laughter, more, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Post, like, comment, post, like, comment, post, like, quicker, fast! Do you have any idea what the word fast really means? It means that you lock your trap shut.